Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, my mom, Chitra, is doing my makeup. I know there are a lot of videos out there about, people's moms doing their makeup, their dog doing their makeup, the iguana from the backyard doing their makeup. My mom actually does a wonderful job. And
thank you.
I'm OCD, and I only let my mother do my makeup because the one time she did my makeup, I got so many compliments and everyone was like, oh my God, who did your makeup? And I was like, my mom. Now my mom is the makeup queen.
You think so? Okay.
Yeah,
That's a compliment from you.
Every product, she knows everything about makeup and
skincare too.
Skincare. And when I go out and I'm going to a special event, I want my mom to do my makeup. So today's look is going to be a night out look, and my mom's gonna do my makeup.
I hope it turns out good.
Me too. So right now mom's gonna prep my face.
Which is the first step is I use the Estee Lauder Silky Hydrating Lotion.
And I peel a lot, as do you. We both use tretinoin 1%. So it's like
everything is about hydration and keeping the skin looking good.
Because we're always peeling. And I've been using that since I was 15.
Yes.
And right now I don't have anything on my face, so this is the first thing mom's putting on my face.
The next step is I swear by La Mer, and a good alternative for this would be, I think, like oil of Olay or something like that. I know, but still both of them do the job, but I just love La Mer because I see how the skin just gleams naturally even without makeup.
And I feel luxurious right now. Mom's putting her La Mer on me.
Just have to pat it in, and even if you don't put eye cream, this does take care of it. Many people may say no, but I don't use an eye cream when I put this all over.
Smells nice. So I have melasma and I have it around my mouth. Sunblock is probably one of the most important things you could use, and you have to use it every day. So although this is a night look, we're using sunblock.
Because it's EltaMD, I love this because it's tinted, and when you don't want makeup, you could just get away with just this tinted sunblock. So it serves a dual purpose.
Okay, so now we're adding the Elta Md sunblock. And is this in a particular shade?
No, it's just a universal shade, which really doesn't, and it doesn't make you look ashy.
Being Desi, being Indian, ashy skin is a thing. Just to look bright, I get hydrofacials, micro needling, I'm always scrubbing my face with coconut oil because being brown and ashy is a thing. And I think this takes away from that.
Like you'll see that there's already a sheen on your face.
Yeah, a glow.
And for everyday look, this is what I like. Like, if you're not going out, just put this. You could do your red lip.
And don't forget your neck, guys.
Yeah. And I washed my hands, okay? I know how you are.
I know, I'm OCD. I'm glad you washed your hands.
I always do, okay? It's not just for you.
Okay.
So I'm going to do your eyes. And I start with Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions because
it's all the palette
it's a palette, and all the colors in this go beautiful.
Suit our skin tone.
Yes, it has
like gold, bronze, orange.
Very versatile, and I just go for it. I'm not doing a primer or anything.
Yeah, because
it looks nice.
I also like to make my mom to work on my face quickly because.
Okay, so I just gave a matte first, in a very natural peachy beige shade. I'm just going to keep it simple and use a MAC eyeshadow, which is the Dazzleshadow called Slow, Fast, Slow, and tap it on top of this. This way you get, the glam look, and you don't have to spend like a day doing your eyes.
And I haven't done my eyebrows. I usually thread my eyebrows.
But you have beautiful big eyes.
Thanks so much,
So
Mom.
it takes the attention away even from straggly eyebrows.
You're a hairy girl, then, eyebrows are expensive. I end up having to do them every week. Like,
but
is there a way I can laser my eyebrows?
No, but remember what? Right now, the Brooke Shields look is in, though.
That's true.
Untamed, wild look.
I mean, I'm a hairy girl, like I said, and I've lasered my face, but there's still hair. There's still hair everywhere, and I've got hairy nostrils. I'm in the process of lasering my nostrils.
Oh my God.
I really am.
And now I reach for the same Huda palette again, and just with, you know, a darker shade, and put it at the end, the crease, and then even the darker shade, and go over it. Next, I'm going to do the upper lid with NYX matte liner. This is really black.
And that's the name of the color?
Yeah, jet black.
Real jet black?
Matte.
Okay.
Matte.
And I only do liner when, you know, I'm going somewhere special. Usually I don't.
But you don't use makeup on a day-to-day basis.
I don't really, yeah.
And you hate cat eye.
I don't like a winged look.
So don't talk now, because
Hard
then,
for me.
yeah, then your whole makeup will look winged.
Yeah. I'm not gonna laugh. Now you're laughing. Okay. Because I remember when I was a kid and my mom would do our makeup for, you know, the Diwali dances and stuff, and I'd burst out laughing, and
then we have to go over
disaster.
it all over again. We have to do it very close to the lashes, otherwise you see a hideous ring, like, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Don't open.
There shouldn't be a gap between the lashes and the liner.
Next, I'm going to do your waterline. This is Maybelline Tattoo.
Okay.
I like it because it doesn't smudge and it really does stay on, and it's easy to take it off at the same time. Try not to blink so much.
It's like, don't blink, but there's a pencil in your eye.
It's not inside.
So I like it really chunky under the eyes.
Okay. But also one thing, Anish, I know you hate a winged, but you have to connect the two together.
Yeah, do my foundation now?
Yes, this is again Huda. I like it because a little goes a long way, and the color is Tres Leches for you.
Yummy.
Yes.
Sounds delicious.
Yeah, she's named them all.
I wish there was
really
a
well.
vegan Tres Leches. Someone can make that for me.
And see, I'm just going to use a drop. That's it. And it's enough, believe it or not. And I like to mix mine with a little bit of the MAC strobe cream, because it's like a moisturizer, but again, we are going in for a dewy look.
And I need that because I'm already peeling on my
so
nose.
just a drop.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I do dots of it.
Dots of it.
Yeah. And then I just spread it out, because it dries very fast, this foundation. I love the original Beauty Blender. I've tried the others, but they don't work the same. And then I just dab it in.
Is this the original Beauty Blender?
Yes, yes.
And now, because I have dry skin too, you don't want to smear or move. You want to tap.
Yes. No, I always like tap also, because I feel that, you know,
it's getting the product in there as well.
And not only that, since we've used so much, like, you know, to moisturize your skin, if you do it in any other way, it's just going to disappear into the skin, and, you know, like, in the sense we want it to disappear, but not to the point where you look as if you didn't
have no product on your face.
Yeah.
I also think when you have a lot of hair, like, we also are careful not to get the product in the hair.
It looks very weird, like as if you have a band around.
Yeah,
and
like a ring around your face.
And there's unevenness.
And again, guys, you know, none of this is sponsored. Mom buys all of this.
Yeah. Next, I'm using the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the color NW30.
Okay.
And I like this, but I like to use my hand in this, you know, very gentle.
And I have that dark circle gene. I came out of the womb with dark circles. I sleep well, I eat healthy, I drink a gallon of water a day, and I've just always had them since I was a child.
Thank God for concealers.
I also have inset under eyes, and wearing concealer brings out my eyes.
And this way I'm correcting if there has been any fallout from the eyeshadow too, by doing the concealer later and the eyes first.
Do you think my nose hairs are going to show in this footage, my nostril hairs?
I don't see any hair.
There's just so much hair.
Now I'm also putting in areas where, as
where
you
my
said,
melasma is.
I think more than
mouth.
melasma, Indians always have.
Yeah, this
I think
mustache
this,
area.
which is always slightly darker. I don't use a translucent powder to set. I like MAC Studio Fix, very light.
Color, Mom? What color is it?
NC42.
NC42, guys.
And I use a kabuki brush.
Like a pro.
So I'm going to use a pink blush.
Is that Charlotte Tilbury?
Yeah, Charlotte Tilbury, and the color is Love is the Drug. I like that.
I love a pink blush.
And I'm not using a bronzer because Anisha has a long face, so I don't think I need to make it look longer. Smile, and then, from the apple of the cheeks. Mascara.
Should I do this myself or no? You go ahead.
No, I think I would.
Tell us the color.
No, I would like you to do it yourself.
Yeah.
It's L'Oreal Voluminous Original, and it's black.
Am I doing a good job with no mirror?
Oh.
Is it getting clumpy?
No.
Okay. Do you like to put mascara in your bottom lash?
No, I
You
never
don't.
put because then I look.
usually do, but because we're doing it your way today,
Yeah.
I think that's good enough, Mom?
Yes, I think so.
Thanks.
And I'm going to just clean up your brows a little bit, like make it look even by using Benefit Precisely, my brow pencil in the color number 5.
Now this is one thing I don't know how to do. Brows make your face, and we're going to clean up my brows,
Yeah.
but this is something I need to learn.
And what I do is this comes with a nice, you can comb it
Little
first,
brush.
which I use to comb the hair upwards so that I know where I have to, use the pencil.
So Mom, you like to comb the eyebrow hairs first and then put in the pencil?
Yeah, I like to do it that way because sometimes there are straggly hairs which is,
and I have too
downwards. And
maybe in my case you need to
but
brush
but
first.
no, brush, and after putting it, it's better to brush it again. That
Yes.
way, it doesn't look like you just have product or it's just badly done, because we are just following the natural shape of your brow. So now the last step is I want to do lipstick, and I'm going to use, in the same family color tone of pinks, a pink jumbo pencil, which I love.
What is
because
this?
I don't know where I got it, but it's so versatile because
Let me see.
it has a sharpener at the bottom and you just twist it.
Crayon.
Matte crayon.
We'll figure this out, and it says 11 matte candid, but it'll be in the description below, guys. We'll figure this one out.
Yeah.
So I have really dry lips. I have dry skin, dry lips. I don't know why. I drink a lot of water, and I use good old Vaseline. I exfoliate. I go to bed with Vaseline on my lips. I start my day with Vaseline on my lips, but they're just always dry. So here we are using good old Vaseline to prep, and that's kind of what I do. And now Mom's going to apply.
I'm using
This
this
lip
jumbo
crayon.
pencil which has no name,
We have no name. We'll figure it out though.
and I'll draw your lips. This is Anastasia matte lipstick in the color Lovely, and it lasts over this liner forever.
Yes, I wash my face, brush my teeth, and the next morning it's still there. And that's a good thing. And this is mine because I don't like to share.
Yeah, makeup, yeah. Okay, that's done. And I like to top it with a gloss always. And this is again Anastasia in the color, I don't know what is the color. What is the color, Anish?
The color wiped out.
No, it's not. Or it's fallen off. It doesn't say on the side.
No.
I don't know. It's a nice,
Color wiped out. We'll get back to you
But
on that
it's-
in the description again.
but it's very pretty. And this eliminates the dry look also. And it'll stay.
So we lied. That is not the last step. The lips were not the last step. Highlighter, guys.
And this is Anastasia again in the color Topaz. And I again use my fingers, but I dab it and I don't drag it because,
We have dry skin.
yeah. No, not only that, it will dislodge your blush and everything. And the trick is you can't look like a disco ball with this. So very little product always.
And we
This
finish
is
it
the
off.
final step. This is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, long
Yes.
lasting.
This is
You
one of the
spray.
best. I'm going to spray this on myself. So there you have it, guys. Here I am, all glammed up with nowhere to go. Maybe mom and dad will take me to dinner.
Always.
Guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I also feel like if we don't smile, then like we have total RBF.
I think
to just
because we-
smile. If I
No.
don't smile,
Yeah, but we focus and concentrate.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe.
we're actually really nice people.
There's no doubt about that.